Hey, there's the Frazierhughes experienced realtor. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm here in Salem, Virginia. Check out, there's my sign right there. This is before the whole COVID thing hit. And I just said, hey, I'm not gonna cut my hair. But anyways, I'm doing a live open house today, and I'm here before anybody else shows up. But if you do come, make sure you put on your mask for COVID precautions. But today, 1 to 3 at 2826 Beaverbrook Road, I'll be here at this open house. This house is pretty dynamic and has a lot to offer. Price point $199,850, square footage 1,885 square feet. And you're in the Glenver school system. You're in Salem, right off of Texas Hollow Road. So this is a great location if you live in Christiansburg or Roanoke. You have to commute. And this has a really nice yard here. It needs to be mowed. Fresh mulch out front, brick. And this house is huge. It also comes with this storage shed on the back, which is pretty large as well, and a nice private backyard. So here's your deck. They do have a family here, and this is their play set. So if you want the play set, you can't have it. But this is their play set and large backyard fenced in to the back right here, and also your storage shed, which is almost like a garage. So anyways, I'm going to head inside 2826 Beaverbrook Road and give you a glimpse of what this house has to offer. I recently had another realtor say, Frazier, was this house flipped? Yeah, you can pretty much say it was flipped because it's got brand new everything. Let's start off with your hardwood floors, and we'll go ahead to the top level right here. Hello there, you sweet little puppy. All right, so this is the upstairs, and they do have two small children, so you'll see the toys, and it has a lot to offer for a family with 4 bedrooms. And as you take a peek upstairs here, remember the downstairs is even more terrific. That's what really sets this house off. Besides your open living room right here, you can put your flat screen up in the corner and come chill on your leather couches if you choose to have leather. And then again, your stainless steel appliances. I love this kitchen. I love the color combination right here of the tile, and then your cabinets as well. So you have a large open kitchen where you can come and have dinner and chill and make your meals with your family. 2826 Beaverbrook Road here in Salem. Live open house 1 to 3 today. So let's take a step back here on the hardwood floors to your first 3 bedrooms and your first full bath. So let's take a let's check out the bathroom. And I really like the tile floors in here and the color combination. Both sinks, so you can get ready in the morning. Hey, you need to quit barking, okay? I'm serious. Do we have any field goal kickers watching? All right, so anyways, that's your bathroom right there. And let's go ahead and take a look at this bedroom right here, which has been turned into a baby room. I love this crib. Isn't that awesome? They've got their little camera up there, but this is your first bedroom right here. There's your bathroom again. And let's go ahead and take a second peek at the second bedroom, or actually first peek rather, at the second bedroom right here. 2826 Beaverbrook Road, one of my listings right now here in the Salem, Virginia area. And here is your third bedroom right here, which gives you plenty of space. Got any volunteer fans out there? Go Vols. And then, look, there's my business. Wait, there's me, and there's my business card. All right, here we go. The Frazierhughes Experience live at Beaverbrook Road. You say that 10 times really fast. Beaverbrook Road. Beaverbrook Road. So upstairs here on the split level, we have plenty of room for your living room, open kitchen, stainless steel appliances, matching cabinets. The color combination is great in this house. And then your 3 bedrooms in the back, and then also your bathroom right here on the right. And we're gonna go ahead and step on downstairs. 2826 Beaverbrook Road, 1,885 square feet. And I love this basement. And during the past rains, if you've got a basement and it did not get water in it, then your basement is a rock star. So this guy is a serious gamer and YouTuber. People have commented on his setup over here in the corner, and I was like, this is pretty amazing. But this is the finished basement right here. As you can see, the tile floor, this color combination is fantastic. And then you got your washer and dryer, your laundry room right here. So the basement is absolutely massive. 2826 Beaverbrook Road. Live open house today, 1 to 3. And then again, here's your 4th bedroom right here. I'm really picky about basements. And why am I picky about basements? Well, first and foremost, water coming into a basement. And then secondly, how it's set up. Is it musty? How does it smell? And this basement feels really good, feels really fresh. And then again, not only do you have this area over here in the basement and your washer and dryer over here to the right, but then you've got your bedroom, and then you have more space right over here in your basement. And then again, your 2nd full bath. So why don't you come join me, 2826 Beaverbrook Road, as I do a live open house today, the Frazierhughes experience. I really appreciate you and your time. I'm gonna clean up my camera right there. And you know, when it comes to selling your home or finding your home, thanks for thinking about me. I've got a couple other listings right now, one on Day Avenue, which is a historic home, and then a townhouse in Cave Spring, and then I'll have a listing in Raleigh Court coming up this week. And I also just helped some folks buy 89 acres of land in Boone's Mill, and I'm gonna list a lake lot here as well pretty soon. So I really, again, appreciate you thinking about me. You're telling your friend. My buddy that I work out with just told his neighbor, hey, you got to go say hi to this guy, Frazierhughes. He's going to make things happen for you. And last but not least, I most recently here the past couple of weeks, I had somebody say, hey, Frazier, we're going to give you my clients instead of somebody else because we know you make things happen. And I was like, what do you mean by that? Well, you're marketing, you're outgoing. You know, and I was like, okay, well, thanks a lot. I really do appreciate that. It means a lot to me because I work really hard to make sure that you're taken care of and my family is too. So it doesn't go unnoticed. Again, live open house today, 1 to 3 at 2826 Beaverbrook Road. If you get off the last Salem exit, you take a right onto, it's called Texas Hollow Road. And then also after that, it's about a mile up, and you will not be disappointed when you check out this home. Message me when it comes to looking for selling or finding your next home. I hope you have an awesome rest of your day. Stay positive. Remember, it's all up here. You are what you think, okay? The experience is real.